welcome to Not Fail. I'm actually Sapling Horn, and this is my unboxing of this gun. This is it's not a real gun because use the blue fake. You can see what I oh where's the blue one? Now we're gonna have two mags, 1 and 2, and now we're going to put it in. Now yeah, this is much more powerful. That mag weighs 1. Oh my god, this paper is weak. This is my sizer, and this is actually kind of fake. So let's put this off. Now we're gonna shoot it again. Target is, I guess that's seems like this one. It's kind of, it's like big. It's like big of a size as like a Glock 18. Okay, let's do this again. Aim on the target. Now, let's put the mag out. And fire. That's really hard. Let's put the mag out. And you use all the mags. So this gun is a pretty good toy gun for use in training, so it's kind of a real gun, but it's actually not, because I got this thing. It actually don't really look like that. Made in Australia. Got a lot of buttons here. So yeah, pretty heavy. Actually good for this. I actually did a little bit of practice, and I'm trying to get a hole, like I think 2 holes in it. But this gun can do damage to a piece of paper. So, yeah, this is the Glock 7. Not the Glock 17, the Glock 18. 9x19. So, it's pretty good because got this from Amazon for $26.99. It's like really good for training like kids, not actually young kids, but older kids to use a gun. So yeah, it's like black, and they do have a. I wish I have the this one, but in a 1911. It's kind of cool, but it's like out. It's kind of cool. You can train with this. You live in the you have a farm. You have a farm. You have no. You have a big house and a big backyard with no other houses. You can train It's not even a real gun, but it looks like it. So I know how to hold a gun. I know, but this is kind of a licensed pistol, but I kind of like it. It's not the Glock 17, it's the Glock 18, so I like it in black, and I like this. I have a wood phone case, so don't mind that. And it's actually all real because my dad actually owned the real Glock 17 Gen 1 from Australia. The real one, not this. He actually used it for his work, so like that. But it can't fit in my holster. It's like it can't fit in my holster because it's too big, so that's not. But you can buy this from Amazon. I'm 13 years old, so I like older limits, but on the box says 8 plus, so I was like wish I was actually into guns, but BB guns, not BB, mean airsoft guns. With the orange tip, the famous airsoft pistol. So, this is not an airsoft, this is a fake Glock 8, Glock 18, Glock 17, Glock 18. And it's like pretty good, but no, my dad bought this for me. So it looks kind of cool, kind of realistic to the real Glock 18. This is my... But it's actually fake, it's not actually real, so pretty good to have this gun in my hands. So do have a silencer. It's kind of really easy to screw it in. You don't need to do anything, but actually it can make a sight. Let me show how we do it. That's how to at least this gun, and you put it. You actually can't see me, but you can put it in like like in a real gun. So yeah, and how to put this science law on this. You just keep on turning it, and there we go. You want to be James Bond, not need to keep on turning it. There you go. You can be James Bond. But I kind of like airsoft better because I don't want to act like James Bond. Yeah, James Bond is like a agent. He can own a gun, but you don't have a Glock 17 though. I mean a Glock 18. So this one is kind of cool and fake and plastic. Nothing. This is actually a licensed diecast. This is not a diecast. This is license. Like, I kind of want to. So here's my training. So get these fake blue bullets. Oops. And you get this. I really thought it's gonna have an orange tip, but it's actually gonna look like this. Cool and all, but my gun, it can't fit in my gun holster. I don't know why, but can act like James Bond. I like the science look because it's kind of cool. So, thank you for watching, guys. So this gun is kind of big and it's like a little bit heavy. Now I don't have any metal. It's kind of fine with me. It's like, let's drop the mag. Where's the? Yeah, I like that. I like this so much to drop the mag. So yeah, hope you enjoy this video and hope you like it, and see you in the next one. Bye.